Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making chicken fajitas. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1/2 of an onion, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1/3 cup of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, canola oil, chili powder, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper. Add the chicken to a ziploc bag and coat with the marinade. Now transfer to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the chicken from the refrigerator and now it is time to cook. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and then cook the chicken until it is done. In a separate pan, add oil and saute your vegetables until they are nice and tender. Season the vegetables with salt, and now they are ready to transfer to your preheated fajita pan. Transfer the vegetables to the pan, top with the chicken, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.